I am Avi Berg, and I was a driver for Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash. I often had a trouble finding addresses, and sometimes, due to bad weather, I had to get out of the car and look for them. This wasted time and caused a lot of inconvenience. I first came up with this idea in 2015, but due to a lack of technology, I couldn't complete it at that time. In 2023, I got this idea patented through the American company Invent Help. I received a utility patent from Washington, D.C. I am confident that Avi Light will ensure people working online all over the world no longer face such a challenges. The Avi Light product is available on Amazon. If you purchase it, security and online right related issues will be resolved, and huge favor for the drivers who's coming to your address. Thank you.